Hello everybody, welcome back to the Ambitious Peasant channel, and I am here to do a simple unboxing of this Oris watch. And if you can see that this is a limited edition watch, it is the 1700th unit of 3000 units produced. So I was lucky that I was able to get it and see it at the store. It was by chance, totally by chance. Before anything else, let's do a quick wrist check. I'm wearing the G-Shock that I bought a couple of weeks back, and I've enjoyed wearing it every day. Also, you know the drill, guys, so please make sure to subscribe, hit notification, like, comment, and share my videos. Give me a follow as well on my Instagram. It's at The Ambitious Peasant, and I will appreciate it for the rest of my life. And back to the unboxing video. So obviously this is the outer box of the watch. Let me just pull out the second box. Let's lift the lid on this thing, and voila, it reveals a booklet, and it reads Roberto Clemente Limited Edition. And let's flip through the pages. I guess it's just a little background on who Roberto Clemente is. He is a legendary baseball player, and this 21 here is his jersey number. Well, at least I think it is. And also, this is the second box, or the third box actually, that contains the watch. So let's pull it out. So as per usual, below is the holder for the actual manual of the watch, and it carries all of the cards, warranty. Of course, I have my receipt here. I have the hang tags. So yeah, everything is here on this part of the manual. And let's just peek through it. Yep, it's just the manual and instructions on the warranty. Now, fast forward to the big reveal. And here we go. Look at that watch. It is so beautiful and pristine. So it has a NATO that came with it. You know that I'm not a NATO kind of person, so we all know I'm not gonna use this, but I'm just gonna put it back and keep it. What's surprising and very delightful actually is that it came with this watch tool. Let me tell you guys, this thing feels very premium compared to the one I'm using. So I guess it came with this so that it can switch straps from NATO to this leather strap that it came with. Let's pull out the watch, and oops, sorry. And underneath there is a surprise. So it reveals the spring bars actually, and you know the spring bars are for this NATO strap right here. So let's just put all of these away. And now let's take a closer look at the watch. What I noticed right away is that this watch has a very good strap. Just look at that buckle with the Oris logo right there. And when we flip it over, it reveals that very nice case back right there. So very nice case back. And the strap has that push pins right there because this is a quick release strap. I don't know what it's called, but it's a quick release strap. So it's easy to just, there you go, to just snap it off just like that, easy peasy. And you can just put it on the NATO strap. Know that I hate NATO straps, so I'm not gonna put them on the NATO. Instead, I bought these beautiful green hair straps. So what I'll do is just magically put these on. There you go. Doesn't that just changes the whole look of the watch? I mean, look at that. It really complements the colors of the color of the dial, the colors of the numbers, the indices, and these hair straps, they are very premium and very comfortable. So this is calf skin, and underneath is a very soft rubber. So this is actually a waterproof or water resistant strap. And just take a look at that. I mean, wow. That watch is gorgeous, and I'm loving it on this Hirsch strap. Yep, that's a very nice strap right there. But real quick, let's go into the specs of this watch. So the case size of this watch is 40 millimeters. It has a big crown, and the lug to lug is 49 millimeters. Flipping the watch over again, you'll see that it has a closed case back as opposed to the exhibition case back that most Oris watches have. It will show you Roberto Clemente himself engraved or embossed on the case back, and of course it displays the production number. So this is 1700 of 3000. It says here Roberto Clemente limited edition, all stainless steel, etc. So all of these details are on the back, and it's very nice. Now let me show you real quick how we set the time and date for this watch. So let's unscrew the crown, and it's quite easy because this is a big crown watch. Once unscrewed, turn it the other way to manually wind the watch, and let's pull it out the first level. This hacks the time, so let's put it in the safety mode, and we now pull it a second time to adjust the date. Once you're done with the date, then you can proceed with correcting the time. Push back the crown and let's screw it in. Now that's done, let's do some wrist shots. Let me just take off this very gorgeous G-Shock resin watch. I really love this watch, and I think I got a green thing or green theme going on here. So this is how the watch fits my wrist. My wrist is around 16 centimeters. I have a very small wrist, but you will notice that the watch doesn't overpower my wrist. It sits perfectly and comfortably on my wrist. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.